Hey guys, today I'm making Easter bun and I'm using a recipe that my daddy shared with me. So we start by melting our butter. We're gonna add some honey and molasses to it. And we'll just stir after we add each ingredient. Next we add our egg and then we're gonna add our Guinness. And then we just continue to stir. Then we're gonna add our sugar and vanilla and just put it aside to cool while we work on our dry ingredients. So to our flour, we're adding baking powder, we're adding our shredded cheese, and then we're adding our mixed spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, mixed spice. And then we're gonna add our mixed fruits, our raisins, and our cherries. Now we're gonna mix our wet and dry ingredients together a little at a time and just combine that. If you want it a little darker, we add some browning and then we just add that to our baking dish. Then I just added some cherries and mixed fruits on top to make it look pretty. Then I just glazed the top, and when I tell you guys it was so good, rep, no store bun.